So this is one of my favorite items of the house. This is my Victrola record player. The cool thing about this is it has all the modern features that I like. So it does have built-in speakers. It is Bluetooth enabled, so you can connect to your phone. And the best part about this is that it is portable, so you can just take this right off. You can close it and take it with you anywhere you want to go. So pretty cool. It does have the speakers. You could plug in headphone, microphone, which is pretty cool. And it plays the records very well. So very efficient, durable. I've had this now for about 2 years and it works phenomenal. So if you are looking for a vintage design record player with the modern features, give this one a try. Highly recommend it.